Good afternoon and welcome to a rainy episode of Life with Professor Retro. Thank God it's only a short trip up the road for my stepson and his doctor's trip. And we're not going to Racine for it.
You got clumps again.
Yeah, I know. Wish we could find out if we could put a bag on that mower. It would be nice.
For what?
The lawnmower, so that way we don't get clumps. Rainy days are here again.
I'm sick of rain.
April showers bring May flowers. Or it's just cold. I hope we're not going to have any rain like we had last night, or the week before. When we had like nothing but rain for like 5 days straight. I should probably check that basement eventually. $12:32.
You were in such a hurry to get there. Why?
Yeah, answer that question. His appointment was not at 1, and yet he was rushing us at 12:25.
When are we leaving? When are we gonna go?
Ooh, it's coming down pretty good. Icky, rainy. We're here at the doctor's office.
You're not gonna drop us off at the front? It's raining.
You're not gonna melt.
I might.
You're not that sweet.
How rude!
You do it to me.
Yeah, but girls are made of sugar and puppy dog tail.
Puppy dog tails don't melt. Hey kid. Alright. Go find a parking spot.
A few moments later.
Alright, so they're back from the doctor.
Everything's good.
Everything is good. Except they're wet now and I'm not but that'll change.
You're gonna be getting wet too, so I don't hear it.
Yep, as soon as we get back home.
It's crappy outside.
Yeah, it is. I'm supposed to stop at like 3 and then pick up again at 7 o'clock with thunderstorms.
Lovely.
Yeah, I hope we don't get another week like that one week. Oy! Oy! Alright, they're gonna fix that thing. We wait for traffic to clear.
Like after this car?
Yep.
It keeps turning.
And it's coming down pretty good. Almost looks like it's like hailing out right now.
We can't put the car in the garage.
Yeah, I know. I love the rain, no?
Why?
That's sarcastic. don't love the rain.
I hate the rain.
We've had enough rain.
We've had enough rain. I hate the rain.
Well, we got most of the yard done when we did.
Yeah, the other half you haven't done.
We still got to weed whack some areas.
I can't believe you did half and not. You did all of it but half.
I still got a few minutes to do left. I went out yesterday and did some.
Such a dumbass. You gotta do the pole, that one spot.
In front of the house. Oh, we are back. I'll end this video inside. What little one? Huh? What little girl? You happy to see me, huh? Oh, you're happy to see Papa. We were only gone for a little bit. Jeez. So, thanks for watching this episode of Life with Professor Retro. Again, remember, the road are where the stories are, even if they're wet. Do good in the world. Peace out. Stay frosty. I'll see you in the next one.